Hey guys, how's it going? It's Amanda. Today, Sonos released their new Sonos Roam speaker, and I was playing with it and testing it along with some other speakers that I have, and I just thought you guys might want to have a sound test as well. So, the first speaker I have is the Ultimate Ears Boom 3. That one's been out for a little while now. Then I have the Bose Soundlink Revolve II, I believe is the name, and then the Sonos Roam. So I'm going to compare these just on sound today. There's definitely some differences. And again, the UE Boom 3 is aging, so maybe it's time for them to release a new one. But I just had some interesting results and I wanted to share them with you so you could just hear them for yourselves and kind of understand what you are getting if you are picking up a new speaker anytime soon. So the first thing I want to show you is I went through and used AirPlay and listened to all the speakers, and I tried to get the volume set that they sounded just the same to me. It's not perfect scientific way, but they all sounded right in front of me that they were the same loudness. So that's the first thing I did. Also, just a couple other things. The UE Boom speaker I have on standard setting, so there's no EQ adjustments, just how it is. The Bose speaker actually doesn't have any EQ settings, so again, it's just how it comes out of the box. And the Sonos is how it comes out of the box. The EQ is set to normal level, loudness is clicked on, and true play tuning is on. So another thing I want to tell you is I'm recording this with the Rode NTG microphone, so you're not going to have the most great, wonderful sound quality. My camera's about 18 inches, maybe 24 inches away. I'm using a wide lens, so it looks like I'm really close, but I am back just a little bit. Other than that, there's going to be links down in the description if you want to pick any of these up, and let's just jump right in.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know.
So guys, what did you think? Which speaker would you pick out of these for the best sound? Again, they all have some features that are different selling points, but that's a whole nother video. But if this video was helpful for you guys, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.